Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Snapchat filters not working. So if Snapchat filters are not working over on your Snapchat, they're not loading, displaying, any kind of issue, then in this video I found a few ways in order to fix this. Starting with fix number 1 is going to be really basic, but what you simply need to make sure to do is that you have a proper Wi-Fi connection or that cellular mode is enabled. If you don't have this, then your filters will not be able to load over on Snapchat, so it's really important that you have that enabled. Now, if you have double checked that it is enabled, then what you can also simply do is check your location for Snapchat, because Snapchat does need your location in order to display filters, because basically filters are based on where you live. So head over into settings over on your phone and then click on Snapchat right here, then click on location and make sure to have allow location access to set to always and make sure the precise location is also enabled. Now, if you've done that and it's still not working, what you can also simply do is clear the cache over the Snapchat app by opening the app, going to your Bitmoji at the top left, going to settings at the top right, scrolling all the way down until you find clear data, which is going to be right here, and then simply click on clear cache. And basically once you've done that, you've cleared the cache over on Snapchat and you can now reopen the app to see if it's now working. If it's still not working, what I would also recommend checking is to see if there's any update available for Snapchat. If there is, then sometimes by updating the app it will automatically fix bugs basically, and it will also just refresh your entire app. So I'd recommend doing that to see if there's any update available. And yeah, that's basically what you can do in order to fix it. Now, if that still did not fix the issue, what you can also do is clear the cache over on the settings through your iPhone or Android. To do this, head over to the settings app over on your actual phone, go into general, go into iPhone storage on iPhone and then click on Snapchat right here. Then what you need to do is click on Offload App, wait a few seconds, reinstall back using this page, and basically once you've done that you can simply try to reopen Snapchat to see if it's now working. Now, if it's still not working, then the last thing I have for you is simply trying to reinstall the app. I know this is really basic as well, but trying to reinstall an app will most of the time just fix 99% of any issue you are having with the app, so I'll definitely recommend trying to reinstall the app. Now, do keep in mind that when you do that, all your documents and data will be lost if you don't back to the app, so I recommend to keep that in mind. But yeah, that's basically all I have for you in this video. If you learned something in this video, then please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and also let me know down in the comments below which fix it for you. And if you still need any help, I will definitely help you out in the comments as well. And that being said, I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.